All right, I think it's recording right now.
Oh yeah, yeah. It says recording at the top.
All right,
Okay.
let's continue.
Don't like using TradingView?
I never tried to trading view on the simulations. I always use this simulation, so
Yeah, that's good. So let me know why did you take the trade?
I got the resistance here.
Yeah.
30-minute resistance, 1 hour resistance, and then at 7 o'clock on this simulation is 2 o'clock my time, which is the London Open.
Oh,
So London Open just opened at 7 o'clock here.
So is it GMT or pre-New York GMT?
This is GMT. GMT time.
Also GMT 7 o'clock it opens, right?
Yeah, 7 o'clock GMT is London Open.
So like does it matter when it's GMT, like when you trade from, is it like season, like winter season, does that time change, summer season, stuff like that, or is it the same always 7?
I think there is 1 hour difference between the summer season and the winter season, but I just on the simulation I'm too lazy to figure that out, so I just
yeah, I think so hard. Yeah. So when is New York open?
New York is 7 my time, 12.
12. Okay.
12 GMT.
GMT. Okay, perfect.
Yeah. So they took the sell here, and
yeah, that looks perfect. Yeah.
And since it's doing sideways constellation and constellation, so I figure it might break out. So I'm just gonna take a TP on 121 on this range. So a TP here.
Oh yeah. Oh, 1 to 2 you mean?
Oh yeah, 1-to-2 ratio. Yeah. But what I meant is this box.
Ah, okay, yeah.
So one box and one box here. So TP.
Yeah. And how did you like your stop? How did you like measure and think about that?
My stop is basically this one, this high,
yeah,
plus 5 pips.
Plus 5 pips. Okay.
5 to 10 on GJ is the safest bet. If you're super good, really good, then you can use less than 5. But I always go to 5, between 5 to 10, just to be safe side.
Like resistance plus 5 to 10. It depends.
Yeah, exactly. The last high 5 to 10, or the candle, the signal candle. But this is right now is the last high and low.
Okay. Yeah.
So let's see.
So this for time frame, you always use 1 hour, 15, and 30, and 5 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, not higher than 4 hour.
4 hours. Sometimes I use it just to look at what's doing in the overall market, but usually I just use at least 4.
Yeah. So do you take the 1 hour support and resistance, or do you like have it higher time frame, like 4 hour? Or
No.
1 hour is enough?
1 hour and 30 minutes. That's where I look at.
Okay. Okay, let's say now, for example, it moved like almost one rate 1-to-1. So when do you put stops and break even?
So right now I have basically two target. One target, the first target would be this line, this support.
Yeah.
Second and final target would be here.
Yeah.
So when the price hit this zone right here with the zone, I'm gonna take a profit and then break even, move the price to break even.
Oh yeah.
So right now it just dipped, and I'm gonna put some trade. So I either close 80% or 90%.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay.
I think it's gonna break. So I'm gonna close 80% and then move to break even, and then let it continue.
Yeah, nice.
So right now it's half an hour after the London Open.
Yeah. You always trade a push, right? The opening, like.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sometimes it happens before, or sometimes it happens right at open.
Yeah. So usually it pushes like 20 to 30 pips, right? Or even more.
Depend on the day and depending on the setup. So right now the setup is 25 range. So it broke 50 in total. So right here, around 45.
Yeah. But you only trade support resistance, like no supply and demand, right?
No, nothing else. No EMA, nothing. Basically support resistance and just the setups, like breakouts. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, the momentum is really strong. Because usually on the 30 minutes it wicks up and retests the broken area, right? Sometimes.
Yeah.
But this one is just going like rock hard down.
Yeah, and also I put the stop loss move here.
Yeah, above there. Yeah. That's really good. Nice.
So right now, so this was the London Open trade.
Yeah.
So when we're gonna move to the pre-New York Open. New York Open is at 12.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to 10. That's my time. 10. 30. So what I would like to do here is get the low. Get the recent low.
So what does that mean? Like recent low of London or London Open?
So my strategy is basically we're gonna take a pre-New York.
Yeah.
trade. So pre-New York start at New York start at 12 o'clock, and
Yeah.
I would take a second trade of the day at 10 o'clock here. Start from 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna remark everything, and this is the most recent low. So there's
Oh, yeah,
nothing at the back, right? So this is the most recent low. I'm gonna mark that, and then see what happened here. And if it's gonna break, if it break and continue, I would trade the retest. If it respect this, I'm gonna buy
Oh.
to somewhere.
Oh, nice.
Hey Daryl.
I think continue, right?
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, not bad, mate. Yeah, GJ.
Yeah. GJ all day.
Yeah, all day. It's the 18th.
Okay, go through. Why did you take the trade? Because it didn't close under the low, right?
It didn't close under the low, that's right. It's very close to break this low, but this wick have little to none.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is one of my confirmation. If there's no wick at my low, that's
Yeah.
where I see a rejection.
Yeah.
So 5.
Right. So this is a very aggressive, right? Because you see, like the candles is very big, like big momentum down.
Yeah, this is very dangerous, but that's I've seen this a lot of times. So
Yeah. But this is counter trending now, right? Maybe.
yeah. So my TP won't be back to the zone.
No.
The kind of trend I would like to TP somewhere not too far.
Okay, nice.
I'm seeing right now. Just to be safe on the TP here. And ratio is still over 1. It's 2.
Oh, nice.
So it's pretty good. So this is the pre-London, pre-New York trade.
Oh yeah. Nice one, nice one.
Yeah. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna take a London close. London close trade is 3 p.m. here. No, London close 3 2.
So London close is what time?
London close is at 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
3 GMT.
Yeah, 3
So
p.m. GMT.
15:00.
Yeah, 15. But I like to take a trade starting from 14, so that would be 1 hour, just 1 hour before it closes.
14. Okay, yeah.
It would be 14 here. 14. I don't always take London close though. It's only when it have a clear trade happen.
Okay. So what do you think the price will do?
Right now, don't know. See how it react to this point if it come back.
Yeah.
And this, oops. This one.
So when you marked your zone as you did on the 50 minutes, you took the wick to the wick. That's a supply zone, right?
I don't know what the hell is supply or demand. I just know this is my resistance where
Okay. Yeah.
where it reject this candle. You can see this big candle.
Yeah.
My zone would be. And right now, so 15 o'clock, 3 o'clock is the GMT, 15 GMT is the London close.
Yeah.
Seems like there's no trade. It's not hitting this zone or this zone. So I'm gonna skip the rest of the day. Because after London close, I don't trade anything. I don't care what happens, I don't trade. So I'm gonna go to tomorrow, the next day.
So why do you start at 0445? Like
5 o'clock is 2 hours before London Open. London Open is at 7 o'clock. So 2 hours before London Open, that is my pre-London trade.
okay.
My London trade is pre-London to London Open.
Okay. Oh, you okay.
This is weird.
Yeah.
I'm looking
Yeah.
at check the news because the spread seems weird and seems news.
Yeah, what I can see on the 1 hour is that there's a bullish engulfing, and that made it like a support, and it wants to go up maybe.
So there's no news. Oh, there's news in New York, London Open. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, will you consider that a break and retest of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. I'm just double checking at the time frame. Yeah. What do you think
So-
there?
Yeah, I think it's a break and retest of that. Yeah, and it's making higher low.
And it doesn't go up. Yeah.
Let's see if we can take a buy here. It's 5 pip. Six. No, no, no.
There she goes.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Good call.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah.
So, the break and retest that we saw on the 5 minutes and 50 minutes, like how did you confirm it when you watched it? Like how do you think?
Basically, what I was waiting for is price either drop to this zone,
Yeah.
and then I'll take a buy here, or it will break and retest to keep going down.
Yeah.
But at that time, it was already 1 o'clock, 1 hour before London Open.
Yeah.
And I don't think it will 1 hour. I don't think it's gonna drop that low for
Yeah.
London Open. So I'm just gonna take this as a pre-London Open, pre-London tray as a break and retest, and then just buy to the next zone.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay.
And then 2 o'clock here. So sorry, 7 o'clock here is the London Open.
Yeah. So, London Open, how do you think that does it continue the push or can reverse? Like,
To be honest, right now after that trade, that would be my trail. So this one, this candle, it might,
Yeah. It looks like it's gonna reverse over there on that 5 minute.
yeah, it looks like it's gonna be reverse. Where is this candle at? Yeah, I think this candle is gonna go back down. That is the London open trade, but since I already took this buy for
Yeah.
pre-London and I missed this one, I'm not gonna take it. But I think it will continue to go down.
Oh, so yeah, because the trend is down, right? Because it will continue the trend, right?
Yeah. Since we missed it and I already took one trade here, I'm not gonna take another one.
Okay.
So we're gonna skip to pre
York.
New York at 12, pre-note 10.
Yeah, nice one.
So
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
So this break the recent low for the
Yeah.
pre-London.
Yeah.
Sorry, pre-New York. God damn it. Pre-New
Yeah.
York.
Well, yeah, pre-New York 2 hours before New York, right?
Yeah, 2 hours before New York Open.
Yeah.
New York
Yeah.
Open at 12 o'clock. 10 o'clock
Yeah.
is the New York Open. So it's break. So I'm thinking it's gonna retest
Yeah.
somewhere here, and then continue to drop.
Okay.
Let's see. This one looks good.
Yeah, because GJ does the really high pullbacks before it continues, right?
Yeah, the retest can pull back quite a bit sometimes. I'm looking for a 15-minute rejection of this one.
Okay.
I think that's good. That's good. That's good enough.
It doesn't look like a fake out. Like on the 5 minutes, it looks like a fake out, but
It looked like a fake out, but
yeah,
right
if you look
now,
at the 50 minutes, all the candles closed above.
yeah,
So how do you think? Like what's your thought?
I'm thinking because in 30 minutes, it still haven't reached, still haven't get down to the zone.
Okay.
Yeah.
It still have a lot of space to go.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking this, what we call it fake out, but it actually broke and then going to retest this and then continuing to go down at least this zone.
Okay.
What day is it? Tuesday.
So why did you take that zone on the 5 minutes, like the head there, like the
Right
small one? Yeah. Why did you take that zone?
So this zone is based off this one.
Ah, okay, that resistance, like the small minor resistance.
A
Right?
very small resistance.
Yeah.
Since it broke and it failed to break up.
Yeah.
And right now is just 1 hour before I'm gonna take it.
Come on, tap it.
Yeah.
Oh, you tapped it.
Spread, man. That's why I put in break even.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice trade, man. That's really nice.
All right.
Yeah, because if it was me, I would think I would buy there because it sells above support, you know.
Yeah, because of this zone, I kind of think it was going down here first.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There was an FTR over there on the 30-minute. So it was going to reject, but by that FTR, we looked left on the 30-minute. So
So
Yeah.
can you pause there? Explain FTR, like fail to return to where?
failed to return, failed to reverse. So
Oh, fail to reverse. Ah.
yeah.
So how do you like consider that like FTR? Because it didn't return up, right?
Yeah, if you see on the 30-minute, it was bullish, and
Yeah.
then you got that bearish candle over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was it was trying to obviously reverse the trend. So that would be FTR, and then it continued going up.
Ah, okay.
FTR. So coming back to that zone, it would be a FTB first, first time back. So you'd get a bit of rejection on that area.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Let me just keep going.
Yeah, it drops really hard.
All right, let's go to London close. London close 3:14. 15. I'm gonna take a buy right here.
Yeah, big TP.
Too big for London close.
Yeah.
Right on this zone.
Okay.
I'm expecting this fall on Tuesday to be dropping lower, but nothing happened.
Ah, okay.
So tomorrow, Wednesday, should be good.
So like, do you aim for certain pips when you
No.
trade, or?
No, I aim for what did the market give me?
Also, like always to have 1 to 2 risk reward, always.
Oh, at least one for sure. But 1 to 2 is the what I aim for usually. But
Okay.
sometimes if it's just one, is fine too.
Oh yeah. So you take maybe 2 trades and let one run or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
We should have a big one tomorrow because Monday, Tuesday didn't do much. So
Yeah.
Wednesday should have a big move either up or down.
Nice one. So basically, you took that trade because London didn't broke below that recent low,
Yeah.
and you made like a support, and if
Yeah,
you
so
didn't break that low,
right when London closed,
Yeah.
I mark my zones, the
Yeah.
recent low,
Yeah.
and then see what it does to that
Yeah.
low. So that low was
Okay.
getting respected here, and then I
Yeah.
took the trade, took a buy here, stop right below, and TP around this box.
Yeah. Perfect one.
So we're gonna move on to tomorrow, the next day. So once again,
Yeah.
yeah.
You already done 100%.
Well, because I'm risking 10%, that's why.
Yeah.
I was
So
thinking,
in real life, you risk 10% or is it lower?
yeah, in real life, I also risk 10%.
Oh shit, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like, how long have you been trading now?
Almost 3 years.
Oh, nice. So you just trade GJ?
Yeah.
Nice. So do you considering the fundamentals? Like, do you read the news, stuff like that, or just
I
watch
read
the
it
website?
just to know what's going on, but it doesn't affect how I trade.
Okay, you just look at price action, right?
Yes.
So the news, is it like which website you read? Like,
No, just typical ones, the Forex Factory, FX Live, FX Book,
yeah.
those kind of thing.
Okay.
So I start entering my first trade after 5 o'clock, 2 hours before London, right?
Yeah.
And it dropped a lot.
Yeah.
I'm seeing head and shoulder right here.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now why did you take the trade?
So recent high,
Yeah.
and then it dropped below this area.
Yeah. So it was a breakout and retest, right?
Basically breakout retest, and also it looked like a head and shoulder.
Oh, where does it look like head and shoulder?
Hold on, let me see if I can draw.
Ah, small one there. Ah, okay. Yeah, ugly one.
Yeah, an ugly one, because it doesn't always look perfect in real life.
Yeah.
Okay.
How did I look this? So what happened is, oops.
Definitely a sell. Even with the 1 hour, you can see that Harami candle formation on the 1 hour. So definitely a reversal. Go down.
So my target. Let's take a look. So Monday and Tuesday didn't do much. Usually it's Tuesday or Wednesday do a big drop or big up. So I'm thinking it's gonna break. I'm gonna make a. Should we go for T3 today, Daryl?
Yeah, I think to try T3, I think it would be a safe one today because obviously being Wednesday, there's no good moves on the Tuesday, Monday. So
Yeah, let's
let's
do
see.
Let's do a T3 here. It's a big T3.
Yeah.
35, 36. Let's do this. All right, T1, T2, T3.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Where's my stop loss? Perfect. Oh man, ratio 14. Should we do something more safe? Let's see. Oh, perfect. Let's do a T1 here.
Yeah, T1 over there by that. Yeah.
One, and then T2. Right. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So what I usually do after this brick, the base, as you know there, I like to put it as brick even. Just in case. Let's close some here. Oh,
Yeah, T1. Yeah.
let's do 50% today. So we still have half an hour till London Open. Mr. News. So what's today? 8. 8. Nothing. This is New York. So there's no news. Holy shit. I just realized this is 170 pips. That is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Really too much. I think this would be the safer one. 37. Let's see. All right, let's take some off, eh? Let's close 50. Oh man, we going.
Yeah.
Oh, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, so when you calculated like the TP, so how did you do it? Like, why did you take the square and square?
So here. So last low. So
Yeah.
I enter here, right?
Yeah.
Enter here, last low, last high, recent high. Just take this range,
Yeah.
right?
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that range. That's my one of part of the TP.
Yeah.
And then the next one, if I, cause Monday and Tuesday didn't do much, and I'm thinking today Wednesday is gonna drop a lot.
Yeah.
So this is my T2 target 2. So target 1 is just to be safe. It doesn't break. I still profit. So this is my target 1, target 2, and then last low. And this one is too close. This one and this one is too close. So I'm skipping that one.
Okay.
So this one, right? This range, this one to this one is 38 pips.
Yeah.
So I'm using this range.
Ah, okay.
And
Yeah.
just in case it drop even more, this is my next range. This is the final TP.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Final TP.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's unusual way to like measure the TP. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That's how I use it. And right now is 8. Let's go faster. Let's go to 10. 10 o'clock is the pre-London. Sorry, pre-New York.
Yeah. New York.
So if it respect the recent low, I'm gonna close the sell and take a buy. But if just tank, if it just kill this
Yeah.
support, I'm continuing to hold that cell.
So you look at the hours. If the hour closes under or up.
30 minutes.
Oh, 30. You just look at the 30 minutes. Ah, okay.
Well, I look at all time frame, but the most I look at is 30 minutes.
Yeah. So if the 30 minutes didn't close like the bearish under your support, that one,
Mhm.
yeah. Then
Yeah,
you
if
will
this
not.
one doesn't close below, then I would consider maybe buy or something or closing this
Okay.
sell. So there's no sell. Sorry, no tray right now. I'm just dropping. No. And there was news, I remember. US news, unemployment. Oh, unemployment rate.
Yeah, it feels like it's dying down the momentum, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's safe that you moved your stop loss.
Yeah, just in case you break this.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna move on to the next day. 2 days been, this Wednesday's been crazy. How much is this? 130 pip.
Yeah, that's a big catch, man. Good job.
Let's go tomorrow. Let's close everything.
What's the sound?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I kind of want to take this one.
Break over there.
Sorry, say what?
Waiting for you to break that zone.
This is.
I think I see maybe a small like buy
Yeah, I think so too.
because it looks like it rejects that zone with a pin mark.
This is a lot of support. This is a support. This is a 30-minute support. And then there is also 15-minute support, 5-minute support.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. It's engulfing on the 1 hour as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So the trend doesn't continue on Thursday, like the push down.
It depends. It's hard to say.
Yeah.
Sometimes GJ is crazy. Sometimes it's just keep continue like this week. They got them GJ like 300 pips.
Yeah.
But let's see. I see. But this is there is a big resistance here. There's resistance.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what's happening.
I'm gonna take a buy, and I'm gonna break even right away after it reaches this zone. This is 10 here. Ooh.
Nice.
The hell?
Yeah, the 1 hour flipped bullish.
But there is no bottom wick. It's very little. It might actually go down.
Okay.
Might actually reverse, or come back, retest, and then once again go up.
And then go up.
Yeah, I think you might go down, fill this wick, and continue go down here maybe. Let's
So
see.
the 1 hour wick, it is a small wick, so that you don't consider that as a wick.
It's too. I don't know. It's too small.
It's too small. Yeah, you moved your stop loss to be safe, right? To secure some.
Yeah, because I was thinking you might feel this wick,
Oh,
feel
yeah.
the 1 hour wick, and I see this kind of rejection. So a little bit
Yeah,
just to be safe,
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, it's better to be safe. Yeah.
but it might actually continue to go up
Yeah.
maybe. So that was my pre-London.
Yeah, beautiful.
Ooh, I think I want to sell here. Second trade. This look good for a sell.
Oh, you see double tops on 5 minutes and 50 minutes like consolidation breakout to the downside,
Yeah.
and 30 minutes have like two hammer.
Yeah.
What you call it?
I don't know. Rejection candle.
Yeah.
But I still have a bullish bias of this.
Yeah.
Continue to go up to reach this point. It's very close though. Let's see. Actually here. This one. Yeah, I think it should go up. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a sell here. I think you might go down. Sorry, I think you'll go up.
Yeah.
I think I'm not gonna then take a sell.
And that would have been a sell now, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, your thoughts was right.
Yeah. I'm thinking of buy here. Back to the support. Let's take a look at what happened in 1 minute.
So when you what do you look at 1 minute? Like what do you look for?
because I wanted to look at I want to buy here back in this zone because the price, because I still see price will continue to go back to 143.33 this zone.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I want to see a confirmation candle here, but it just rejected right away. So that's why I look at the 1 minute. This one was a good candle, so I think I might buy.
Okay.
11, 16. And TP right here. And 43, that's 130.
Yeah, it's crazy how you know where it's gonna reverse.
Because we mentioned this support is super strong.
Yeah.
The 30-minute support, and then below that there's 15 minutes and 15 minutes. That's why I have like two zones kind of overlap each other. I don't want this one. I don't like these rejections.
Okay.
This rejection.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Nice one.
Okay, 9 o'clock. That is 4 o'clock. 10 is my pre-New York.
New York.
Let's continue. Oh. What are you thinking, Daryl?
Oh, what does it say on the 4 hour?
4 hour?
Yeah.
You think this is I don't know. It went back up to this zone.
Yeah, I think seems for me it's like the bullish has gained momentum. Like I think as he buys.
Let's see where this is. Oh, this is right here. 143, 1 1. 143, 1. I think it's a fake out.
Mhm.
Yeah, it looks like it's a fake out. Yeah.
I think it's a 4-hour wick. And then go down. It perfectly retested the last candle, this candle, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Which is this zone, which is looks strong. Let's do I have a 5 minutes confirmation, 15, sort of 1 hour no bottom wick,
Oh yeah.
30 minutes no bottom wick. This is what time is this? London, New York. Pre-New York has taken sale.
Yeah.
Oh, 20 pip. I don't like it. 20 pip. I don't like anything over 20 pip.
Yeah, 10 pips, 5 or 10 pips.
Oh, 5 or 10 pips is so small.
Yeah, they are like to take the very small stop loss.
Yeah, I like them small.
Yeah.
Let's go back. Where should we TP? And this area looks good. TP1 here and TP 22 pip. Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you, why did you take the first TP there? Like, why
First
there?
TP. Why do I mark first TP here?
Yeah.
Because this is the first support that I see. This is like minor support. I don't count. This is shit support.
Ah, okay.
So like
I see.
noise bullshit. This is where the original uptrend, the current uptrend started.
Yeah.
This is where I put my support, and this is where I put my first TP. And then the second TP, second target is this one.
Okay.
This one. And it's 20 pips, no, just some little bit more profit, but no, nothing major.
Yeah.
And yeah, but this one looked like just fake out, you know. This here will let fake out, so I'm not gonna use it.
Yeah.
This one looks good. Oh, it's gonna do a head and shoulder again. I can see it. This is 5 minutes. Let's see if I can draw it again.
Yeah, it's gonna pull up a little because the right shoulder, right?
Right here.
Yeah.
Right
Oh,
shoulder.
yeah, nice.
And then after you break this,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in break even. Oh, what the? Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh no. This is 50 minutes after New York Open.
Yeah.
1 hour after New York Open.
Yeah. Yeah, you're really good at it. Yeah, you got eyes for it.
You just gotta spot it, head and shoulder. TP here.
Oh yeah, because it broke your minor zone again, so it's gonna fall on the 50 minutes.
Yeah.
So this here. So you didn't consider that like a strong support?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I don't look at. What I look at is this. Let me draw this again. One sec.
Yeah.
I look at anything here
Okay.
from
Yeah, most recent, yeah.
from here. Anything look like a support to me. I don't look anything past here as my first target. So this is the first target.
Okay.
And then whatever below this. And I'm gonna look at the second target here, which is this one.
Yeah.
So first right here, and then second.
Okay.
See, this is rejection. So good thing we TP.
Yeah, some rejection over there.
Actually, I'm gonna move my tray as well. $15 hour. There's London close.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah, good.
Okay, let's move on. Friday, last day of the week.
Yep.
So London, open. And I like to delete everything each day.
Right.
Here's a low. Oh, It broke yesterday's low.
Yeah. And what does that mean?
That mean the daily pattern that I see here, if it broke for London Open or pre-London Open, if it broke the last low, last yesterday's low, it's gonna tank even more.
Okay.
It's gonna keep going unless it reverses back. Let me draw. Unless it go back here, and then it will go to this zone.
Okay.
But for now, I think it will go down.
Okay.
Usually it's the case. Going down usually is the case if it drop below the last daily before London Open.
Yeah.
Let me clear.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go down, especially with that pin bar over there. Yeah.
So right now I'm gonna look for entry for sell. This area looks good. Let's see what happens. So I'm waiting. If it break here, I'm gonna do a retest, sell, or if the price go this zone, I'm gonna take a sell as well.
Okay. So how long do you wait, like before?
Until half an hour after London Open. So right now it's 2 hours before London Open.
Yeah.
And then after 30 minutes after London Open, that's where I finish trading the London Open section.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh man, it wants to break. Oh, it broke. If this candle close like this, I'm gonna take a sell.
Yeah. You're gonna wait for the 30 minutes to close first?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for just 4 more minutes.
Yeah. So
It didn't close below the low. It was so close.
yeah.
Because this low is right here.
Yeah.
Just close right above. Just
Yeah.
like 0.5 pip, 2 pip,
Yeah.
1 pip. But I want to take a sell. Let's take a sell.
Yeah.
Still
I'd wait for that hour to close because
Yeah.
confirmation is yet, but it does look like it's a sell from the beginning of the move. You know what I mean, with that pin bar on the top on the 1 hour. So
yeah.
just wait anyway.
I really want to do a retest here. You know what? Let's take a sell. It's 5, 10. All right, OSTP. 80 pip drop, we can do that. Let's wait.
On a Friday, maybe.
77 pip. Oh, that's not much. Could we use this one? To this one. 120. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Is there any news though?
140.76. Okay, so T1, T2, T3.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good.
Yeah.
Not good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So 1 more hour till London Open.
Yeah. As I say, you have to wait for that 1 hour to close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good call. That's like a 1 minute. Nope. Holy shit.
Holy shit. Yeah.
Oh. Let's go 50%. Close, break even. If you retest this one, I might get a second trade.
So the sell was because of the strong resistance, right?
Yeah, the 5 minute and the 15 minutes. This one, this candle.
Yeah.
And also as the daily bias I had. The daily bias was, past the last low,
Yeah.
yesterday's low. That was the bias. That's why I was heavily on sell more than buy.
Yeah.
Yeah. if there's a candle here showing rejection, I'm gonna take a sell. This one looks good.
Yep.
So 12, 17. Oh, 12, 17. Hey, are you here? Oh, one sec. All right, sorry. And this is London Open.
Yeah.
15 minutes after London Open.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
should I TP?
Oh, move, stop.
Move stops?
Oh, yeah.
Mm,
Oh, shit.
130 pip. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
This is still London Open. 1 hour after London.
Yeah.
That's why London Open for GJ. Oh, so good. I'm gonna take some profit here.
Yeah.
Because that's what's supposed to be my T2.
Yeah, that's true.
Target 2, so I'm gonna just take some. Here. 3%. Where would it retrace to? $60 pip.
Yeah, I think
It dropped 100, almost 100 pips. So you gotta retrace some before you drop more.
Yeah.
maybe close the trade, man.
I'm gonna set the first one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, your TP2 line is respected. Like,
Yeah,
yeah, good resistance line and support line.
yeah. See, T1 was here, T2 was here. Those range is
Yeah,
on the dot every time.
yeah.
Oh, you took out my. No, it did.
Yeah.
Wait. Where's my. Oh. Wait, what the hell? So why is my stop loss over? Oh my god. Did I mess
Oh,
up?
maybe you moved the wrong one?
Yeah, I think I did. Alright, so this is pre-London coming. 10 o'clock is 2 hours before London.
Yeah.
Sorry, New York, goddammit. New York.
Yeah.
So if the price reach here, I might take another sell. I want to take a sell here, but should we?
I don't know.
I'd wait for the hour. I'd wait for the hour to close.
Wait for the hour?
Yeah, wait for hour. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no solid confirmation yet.
So now, take a sell? What do you think?
Mm. Yeah,
Yeah, it looks like it's a sell because it looks like it's sort of on the trend line, like, isn't it? Well,
yeah,
Oh,
somewhat.
yeah, somewhat, yeah.
And a good rejection on the 30 minutes too. Like,
Mm, let's do it. But this one. I kind of want to take a sell or put a stop loss above here.
yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's put a stop loss above just in case. 26, 31. Man, that's a lot. No, I'm not gonna take it.
Okay.
if the price go back up,
Yeah.
we come back here.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to go all the way up the zone. If we go back here, show some rejection, I'm gonna take a sell. $30 more minutes until New York Open. It's good enough. I'm gonna take it. 9, 10, 15, 15, so that's 16. Oh. Is there news? GBP. Wait, this is next week. It's
Yeah,
today.
that's it.
Oh, no news today. No, so nothing until next week. Man, this is messy. It looks
Yeah.
It's
Friday.
just ranging now. Yeah.
It's Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Yeah, usually Friday after the London trade, if I don't spot anything on New York, then I'm just gonna call it the day, call it the week. But we found that the New York trade here is sold, and then I think we're done for the day, for the week, because I don't trade New York close or London close on Friday. So we're just gonna held this until T3.
Come on. Yeah, close it on 1000%. That's really nice.
Alright, I think we're done for the week. Let's see when it will hit T3 or break even.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, what the hell?
Monday. Oh, this is Monday open.
Yeah.
The gap. Well, you didn't take me.
So do you trade a gap too?
No, I usually, what happened on Friday is I'm gonna hold whatever position I have, is either break even, just like today
Yeah.
here. If I have something, I will either break even or target. I just leave it on. for the week.
Yeah.
And oh damn, what happened? Let's go back. Oh, the spread. Goddamn
Oh
spread.
shit. Yeah. Nice.
Alright. Okay, we're done. Perfect. Oh, right on 1000%.
Yeah, that's really good, man. It's like 90% win rate, right?
I think we took a loss. I think
Just one loss. Yeah, yeah. It was a
on, I wasn't patient, that's why.
Yeah, ended a bit too early.
yeah. That loss was just stupid because you noticed that 50 minutes didn't close. It didn't close under.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Took us out here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. How do I check?
I think history.
Yes.
Oh, trades.
I got to trades. Yeah, trades.
Trades, and then graph a statistic. Oh, statistic. Yeah. And you can see the losses. If you go down, oh yeah, there.
Sure, we took 2 loss.
Yeah, 2 loss. Yeah.
That's good. Oh,
Or the loss. It was that you had a break even. Was that a loss? Does it count as a loss?
I don't know. We have a couple break even, so I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
I think. Did we? I don't know. I don't remember.
I don't know. Yeah.
But I was good. Good calls,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, good.
All right. All right. Good job, guys. I think I might gonna do it one more tomorrow, since Monday is we're not gonna trade on Monday, so we're gonna do one more sim tomorrow. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Talk to you guys tomorrow.
All right, Quentin. Nice one, mate.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I learned a lot, man.
All right.
See ya.
Thank you.
Cheers. Later.